Okay, guys, good morning. So we have market open right now on the ES. The NQ, I don't recommend it, guys. NQ is it's a beast. It will, even though if you're correct, you're gonna be incorrect because the manipulation of the open is extremely quick. So it will not work as you want. The ES is more tradable, but still the ES can really, you know, stop you out and put you in a drawdown. So it's better to wait for the market to to develop and trade accordingly to the market movement. It's right now it's too quick. I just do it for you to see, but it's better to wait a little bit. Okay, so when the market starts moving in a good behavior, not in this mumbo jumbo, goes back and forth and goes up and then goes down. So, well, it's up to the trader. Okay, it's up 383. Let's gonna do to 500. So no more trading. If we get to 500. Okay, guys, that will be it for today. Up 500 in the ES. Okay. Okay, as you can see, guys, the trader works very well. It has a better logic, and like I always say, guys, so the open is very tough to trade. Okay, so the signals are raw here. You can see them. This is a blueprint for whatever you want to do. Okay, if you don't want to use the order flow, if you don't, okay, you can put on top everything. This was a winner too. You would have taken 2 trades long here. Okay, so right now I have it trading many trades per bar. Okay, so you can trade it as you want. Okay, so it don't matter. So you can trade it just 1 trade per bar, and that will be okay. Okay, so I have it on the Nasdaq too, many trades per bar. But if you're gonna be copy trading, okay, copy trading, it's gonna be a requisite to put it 1 trade per bar. Why? Because the communication between the platform and the copy trader has a lag. Okay, so nobody has been able to decipher that problem. So it cannot go buy and sell in the same second. No, it will mess up the copy trader. And if you have 10, 20 accounts copying, it's a disaster. It will be a disaster. So you have to take that into account, and just trade accordingly. You gotta have a buffer of time between trades so the copy trader can keep up and catch up, okay, to the platform. So there's a communication lag there that it will mess up. Okay, so you need to take that into account. Okay, so that's all for right now, guys. Okay, so thanks for your emails. I've seen all your emails, guys. I will replying end of week. So as I said before, right now it's trading the signals raw. It has no filtering whatsoever. Okay, we are not using any filter. Like I said before, this is trading is very tough, guys. Trading is very difficult. Okay, because the majority of the questions I get all the time is, what is the time to trade, and what if the market is range bound? Okay, there's gonna be 2 workspaces for that. okay, and you decide which workspace to trade. Okay, so there's one that will trade after the vertical line. Okay, once, and that will be with the filter with the volume. Okay, so it will confirm that the market will go down one bar after, or it will go up one bar after the signal. Okay, that will include there's where the order flow print comes into play. Okay, she will tell you if it will continue trading lower, or you can gonna continue. This is a more this is more for people that don't want to trade that quick. Okay, so because market, if you're copy trading or whatever, you don't want those multiple trades. Okay, so and the one trade per bar is mandatory. Okay, so that way you will not lose. Okay, so what else? What else I just wanted to tell you? Okay, so this is this software, you have been seeing it for the past weeks, and it works, guys. It works. This is a life-changing software. Okay, the signals are very reliable, and you can build your retirement out of this. But it will take time for you to get used to it. Okay, it's like giving you an F1 car, a Formula One car. It runs, but you need to get the hold of when does the high frequency traders and the big money is working. Okay, for example, sometimes power hour, you will see power hour, and how do you know when the big guys are trading? When you see order book sweeping. What is order book sweeping? Order book sweeping is when there you see zeros in one side of the bar. Okay, that's a sweep in the book. Okay, that you already know there's a big guy running the show. Okay, so you can see that. Right now we're not seeing order book sweeping over here. Okay, so the ES is more difficult to do that, but in the Nasdaq it is. You can see that it's very visible on the order book imbalance to see that. Okay, so what else? Because people say, but I want to trade it, all day. Well, 1 hour after the open. Yes, 1 hour after the open. Sometimes there's no high frequency traders there. The market just, keeps sideways. Then you go to trade with confirmation 1 bar after. Okay, if delta confirms, you will be put in a long position or in a short position. Okay, so that way you can confirm that the high frequency traders are pushing the price up or down. Okay, so that's a more conservative way to trade. Okay, so what I always say, don't pay attention to what I do over here. Okay, don't pay attention to this, because this is me. I've been trading a long time, and I can support a lot of drawdown. And if an account blows up, it's no problem. I don't have problem with that. And but if you're gonna be trading, and it's up to you. If you are good with risk, okay, you can go with 5 lots in the minis. Okay, so it's up to you. I don't know your account. I don't know you. I don't know how you trade. Okay, I'm just showcasing the product here. Okay, and don't tell me exactly what you will do. Okay, the product works. You are responsible to enable what type of trading you're gonna do. Okay, for example, right now you see the market is consolidating. It stopped trading. You see we have a long signal here, but the market just decided to stop. Okay, so what you can do is do as markers has an exit inside indicator that can availability. That, for example, if you are going long and you see for example, a thin print, okay, in the upper side, an exhaustion print, that exhaustion print can be an exit position. Okay, so that way you can exit the trade without having too much losses. Sometimes the market will work, and the market will continue. Okay, but sometimes it will work because the market is going to be ranging. So exhaustion prints are those. It works because, for example, here is an exhaustion print. Okay, 0.3. Okay, so that way you will exit the trade, but you never know when it will work, and you don't know. Sometimes it will exit you early and you will lose a profit. Okay, so but we're talking about protecting capital. Okay, so that's how it is, and that is trading, guys. You will get fooled sometimes, and the market will go without you. Sometimes you see in the videos 2 good trades and just then don't get filled. So then it is what it is, guys. That's trading. It's not, there's nothing written in stone. So what I'm telling you here, you're rounding up everything. Okay, so this video has gone too long now. That you can go $200-$300, guys, and copy trade. Okay, so if you want to have $500, $1,000 a day, okay, copy trade with a minimum contract, or you can do micros. Okay, so if your profit is for example, here you see an imbalance here. Okay, this imbalance can be taken to an exit. Okay, so if you program this into markers, that if you are in a long position and you see an imbalance, okay, so it will exit the trade. Okay, so markers can be programmed it's very broad. You can do a lot of things. Okay, so this video is not enough, guys. This video is not enough. You can, whatever you think, whatever you imagine in your mind, it can be done. Okay, so don't think that it's that you're gonna have oh, I cannot do this. Yes, it can be done. Sometimes it needs to be programmed for markers to see it, but it can be done. Okay, so if you have requests or something in your mind, send me an email. Okay, I can help you out. We can build and execute. Well, that will be it. So thanks for watching. Like I said before, just send me an email, because at the end of month I will be stopping to sell the program. Whoever is inside is gonna receive it, and if you accept the price, it will be okay. I would not be selling this for a couple of dollars. It's too much. The value is too much for little money. Okay, so this is not update of nothing, because when you lose a combine with Top Step Stereo or Apex, you keep on buying. There's nothing written in stone in trading. Okay, so I bring you this to your eyes. If you are okay with it, you buy it. If you don't like it, don't buy it. It's okay, guys. There's no problem. So I will receive inquiries until the end of month. Else, after that, I will not be selling anymore. Just with the people that buys it, because I'm gonna be focusing on my trading, and I'm not gonna be posting videos anymore. So that will be it, guys. Have a great weekend.